Hi and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to reinstall a SteamOS image onto your Steam Deck. Now you might be asking, why would you want to do that? Well, the image you've got on it might have become corrupted, or you've changed the hard drive on it. In my case, I've put Linux in this and I just want to return it to its previous state so I can use it for Steam games. But there's different reasons why you would want to do it anyway, but this is going to cover them. So what we need is obviously the Steam Deck itself, access to a PC and internet to download the image. We also need the means of plugging a USB into the Steam Deck. I'm going to use the Steam Deck dock for that, and also a USB stick. We also need a bit of software to put the image onto the USB stick, but I'll cover that once we're over at the PC and tell you a bit about that. So that's all we need to get started here. And we'll move over to the PC just now and then we'll come back. Okay, so now we're over at the PC, the first thing we want to do is find the image and download it. So if we go to the Steam website and search for the SteamOS image, we should get something like this. So what we want to do is click on download the SteamOS image, click here. Agree to the license agreement and download. It's around 3 gigs, so it shouldn't take too long. So once we've downloaded the image, you want to extract it. And you should have the image file here. So in order to put the image onto your USB stick, we want to use a program called Balena Etcher. So if you locate that and download that, and now you want to plug in your flash drive. We want to select the file we've downloaded to flash to the USB stick, so just locate that and open it. It should show up there, then select the target, which is a USB stick. Just make sure you get the correct one if you've got a couple plugged in, because it will erase it, so make sure it's the exact one you'll be using, and select that, and then go to flash. You'll get this little screen popping up, just click yes, and now we'll just let it run its course. Okay, now we've prepared the USB stick. Now we want to plug that into the dock. And turn on the unit by holding volume down and holding in the power button. So then we should be greeted with a screen like that. And select our USB boot device, SanDisk, and we'll select that. And we'll just let that run its course now. So as you can see, we've got 4 options there. We want to choose that one, wipe device and install SteamOS, so we'll select that. Just gives you a little warning there, just to make sure you know what you're doing and you're sure you want to proceed, so just click proceed. And again, we'll just let it run its course now. So once you get the message it's complete, just click proceed. So there we are, everything's just ready to set up, a nice fresh install of SteamOS. So So hopefully this video helps some of you out. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again for another one shortly. Cheers, bye bye.